guys, the Honorable Etiquette expert Elaine Swann is presiding over a special summer-themed edition of Hoda and Jenna's Relationship Court Etiquette Edition.
Okay, we have got some folks here who are having a disagreement. Each person will present his or her side of the agreement. After hearing them out, Elaine, our judge, will issue a final ruling along with some words of wisdom. Elaine, this is the most important court case going on in the country right now.
I know, it is, right? All right.
It is.
What you gonna do? Okay, Lee is going to tell us about our first case.
It's the case of the beach battle. Zach and Johnny have been married for 2 years. They love having fun in the sun together, but disagree on what a perfect beach day looks like.
Now listen, this sounds familiar. Zach, you're going to have 20 seconds to make your case. Then Johnny, you will have time for a rebuttal. Zach, you may begin.
Okay, so when we go to the beach, we're usually going for just one day. Well, Johnny wants to pack like we're going for the whole week. He wants to bring a wagon full of like a huge speaker, 2 shade structures, a blow-up couch, all these games. And I'm like, who are you bringing all this for? And he's like, oh, I want to throw a party for everybody on the beach. And I'm like, well, can't we just spend the day of just the 2 of us? And the one thing he doesn't bring, water.
Good end. You ended on a high note right there.
Johnny, okay, you have 20 seconds. Please make your case.
So my friends call me the vibe maker because obviously I like to bring the vibe. And when we go to the beach, we're there for 8 to 10 hours. So I want to make sure we have everything that we need to enjoy ourselves, have a good time. And in the event that people pass by and see us having fun, I want them to come and join the party. And, you know, who says wine is not a liquid? And why not?
There you go. Good. Okay. So we're going to get to the bottom of this. Zach, let me ask you a question. So Johnny brings the fun. He brings all the music and the vibe. Are you kind of enjoying the vibe, the music, the fun? Come on now.
I mean, listen, I love a good vibe. But, you know, like, it's a vibe for, like, a lot of people. And it's like, it's just 2 of us.
Okay. Johnny, now, could you compromise? Are there things that you can admit you didn't really need to bring on your last trip, for example?
I mean, listen, the blow-up couch is a little excessive, but, you know, sometimes the sand it gets boring. So maybe we could leave the couch at home.
Okay. All right, so we've heard all the arguments and the rebuttals. Now, Miss Elaine, it's time for you to issue the verdict.
Well, I'm listening here, and for Zach, of course, you know, you're really getting the bad end of the stick here because you have to schlep everything and bring it there. You know, you're the muscle behind it. But, of course, clearly you are enjoying everything right along with it, and that's a great thing. And you kind of knew that, you know, that Johnny was the life of the party. Otherwise, you wouldn't have married him, right? And so, Johnny, for you, it's perfectly fine for you to want to create a vibe. I think it's a great thing to be a great host. Nothing wrong with that. So in this instance, I am going to side with Johnny. However, here's the caveat. Johnny, I want you to practice proper etiquette in this particular instance.
Okay.
Etiquette is about putting others at ease, and you're not doing that. So I'm going to sentence you to start doing better, practicing better etiquette, and make sure that you don't leave all the lifting and the schlepping and all that. So the thing about it, bring the couch, bring whatever you want. You bring it. You set it up. If you can't lift it, if you can't bring it, then that's it. And you just bring your backpack and just enjoy.
I mean, he can carry me if he wants.
Exactly. So, and let's see how you do now that you have to bring all the stuff and carry all the stuff.
All right.
This is fair.
That's fair enough. Thank you, guys. Okay, it's time to hear case number 2. What do we have?
It's the case of the scheduling squabble. Kendall and Kelly have been best friends for 10 years. They love going on trips together, but they disagree when it comes to planning.
This is a good one, Kendall and Kelly. Okay, you're going to have 20 seconds to state your case. Kendall, let's begin with you. You have 20 seconds. Go ahead.
So we're going to London this summer to see Taylor Swift, and I realize we have very different travel vibes. So I more go with the flow, and Kelly likes a scheduled itinerary. Also, I'm more of a homebody. I like to be out during the day, but at night I want to be chillaxing at the hotel. Kelly's a yes and girl. She wants to see where the night takes her, and I'm like, hopefully it takes us to bed.
Okay, all right.
Okay, I get that. Kelly, you have 20 seconds to make your case.
Okay, so we are only going to be in London for 3 days. So I want to get the most bang for my buck. I want to see as many places as possible. So I have created a 3-day itinerary. It says what we're doing, where we're going, hour by hour, with little Google links in between.
Oh, the whole thing.
I don't want to be wandering around aimlessly, wondering what's next, and wasting time. And yeah, I'm going to throw a little bit of nightlife in there. We're young and fun.
Okay, all right, Kendall, let me ask you this. Are there some things that you could add to your schedule that wouldn't be too taxing for you but might help out your friend?
Sure. I think if I thought down to it, I can add some things to the schedule, but I also don't want to be tied down just in case I'm not feeling it that day. I like flexibility.
Okay.
Okay.
Right.
Kelly, could you, in your Google schedule, which I like, could you build some downtime for the two of you? Or maybe just for her?
If it's on the schedule, I'm cool with it. So like 2 to 4, TBD, chill time.
By the way, Meredith, does this remind you of your younger self? Yes, it does.
That does. All right, Elaine, Judge Swann.
All right, so here's the thing. I'm listening to the both of you, and Kelly, I get it. I love a schedule, honey. It's great, and there's nothing wrong with it. So you're going already, and your schedule is to go to the Taylor Swift concert, okay? So that's the one thing, right? You're
That's
gonna
a
have
big
fun.
thing.
Now, Kendall, your friend, you knew that your friend, you knew about her, right? So you understood that she's going to have the schedule. And so the thing about it is, with friendship, we have to make sure that we're following 3 core values of etiquette: respect, honesty, and consideration.
Okay.
Kendall, you've been honest and you've said, this is all I'm going to do, and I get that. And Kelly, I think what's happening in this particular instance is you're leaving out the consideration and the respect portion of it. So for that, I'm going to side with Kendall. But here's the thing.
Oh, here comes the thing.
Here's the thing.
The thing is always the thing.
Kendall, this is the thing. Kendall, you have to be more clear up front before you take on this. You cannot go all the way across the pond and say, I'm not going to do these things.
Got it.
Figure it out in advance.
Yes.
Kelly, find some other Swifties, enjoy yourself, and get on a schedule with them. All right? Enjoy yourself.
All right. Thank you. Thanks, guys.
Thank you all. And if you guys have a relationship case that you would like to be settled in our court, head to HodaandJenna.com and hit the connect button.